Alright, so let's start with our today's lecture. So what we discussed in the last lecture, guys, everyone, what we have seen. What we have discussed, guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the thing that we have discussed yesterday?
And we have discussed how to create directory on the root location and how to come from the root. Right? Yeah. What is the difference between root directory and normal directory? Those command we have discussed yesterday. So,
Okay. So in the last lecture, we discussed about how to create a directory and how we can create a directory under your root partitions and all, right? That is what we have discussed. So let's just give me a minute. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, we'll discuss few more things. So what I will do, I'll just start my machine first. So I'll just go here. So this machine I don't want to run, so I'll just stop this machine. Okay, and I'm going to start this Ubuntu machine. Let me start that Ubuntu machine. Okay, so let's start from here. So basically, so basically, in the last lecture we have understand like what is the importance of root. Okay, so any directory or any files, anything what you create, that will be created under your root only, right? Let's do one thing. Let us try to understand about again very important command. We called it as a again very important command. We called it as a copy command. Okay, copy. Achha, let's do one thing. Before that, we'll try to understand about the concept called VI editor. What is this VI editor? Okay, we'll try to understand about that. So VI editor is editor. It's kind of editor only, which is mainly useful when you want to create a new file. When you want to create a new file, or we can do one thing whenever you want to edit a file. Whenever you want to edit a file, for that we are going to use this VI editor. Now VI editor means, like, just take an example of your softwares like Notepad or Notepad plus plus, right? In Windows operating system, if I want to create any new file, okay, so what we do, we use something, we called it as a Notepad we use, right? So if I want to create any new file, we use this Notepad or Notepad plus plus software, correct now? So similar way, in the Linux operating system, if you want to create a file, I'm not talking about the directory. If you want to create a file, for that we need to use a editor, and that editor we can use is VI editor. Which editor we can use? VI editor. Likewise, we have a different editors are there, but the very common and by default it will come with the operating system, that is VI editor. So what is the purpose of VI editor? Whenever you want to create a new file, or you want to edit a existing file. Which file? If you want to edit existing file, for that we are going to use VI editor. So by default, this VI editor is not coming with Ubuntu operating system. If you use the Ubuntu operating system, you will not get this VI editor. By default, VI editor is not coming with Ubuntu operating system. And whenever you want to install any new things, for that we need to install the packages of that VI editor. So let's say I don't have VI editor. Just take an example. I don't have VI editor. So what I need to do, I need to install the package. Package is like a kind of software, you say, in a very simple term. Package is like a kind of software that you need to install for your VI editor. Okay. Now, in order to install this package, your Ubuntu operating system should be connected to the internet, and in order to use the internet inside your virtual box, we have used bridge adapter in the initial days. If you remember that, when I was configuring Ubuntu operating system, that time I was using an adapter called bridge adapter. What is the purpose? Because we need internet. And why we need internet? Because we need to install the packages related to the VI editor. So VI editor, whenever someone is asking you, okay, can you please create a file for me, or can you please edit this file? Let's say edit means, let's say I want to add a new content, I want to update some content from that file. For that you can use an editor called VI editor. There are other editors are also available, like you might have heard about the Nano or gedit. These are all things are also you can use, but VI is quite common and most of the people are using that. So you can use VI, Nano, gedit, anything is fine. But VI is something you will find it everywhere. In all the operating system you will get it. If you take the example of Red Hat Linux, or if you take the example of Oracle Linux, by default this VI editor will be already installed. The VI editor will be already there. But in Ubuntu operating system, the VI editor is not there. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to install that VI editor. And in order to install the VI editor, we need to install the packages of that VI editor. And in order to install these packages, what we need the internet. And how we will get the internet? By using this bridge adapter. Okay. Now what I will do, so this is my virtual box. Okay. If I click on the settings, so, and click on the if I click on the settings, and then if I click on the network, there we use this bridge adapter at the time of Ubuntu installation. When I was doing the Ubuntu installation, we use this bridge adapter, right? And I will click on the OK. If you do not have bridge adapter by any chance, you can just go here, enable it, click on the settings, click on the adapter, enable it, and use this bridge adapter. This part you can ignore, killer and this deny, that is fine. By default whatever comes, that is okay, and click on OK. Now I'll go to that machine and let me log in here with the help of Oracle user. I'm going to log in here with the help of this Learnomate user, and Oracle is my password. So I have just logged in here. Acha, till now whatever we discuss, able to understand everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what I will do, I'll open a terminal. So I'll right click. Okay. Right click, open terminal. So I have just opened the terminal, and I'm going to do one thing. I'll just say ping google.com. Let me see whether I can ping to the google.com. When I'm running this command, if you are getting this ping back, means you are able to connect to the internet. So I'll press Ctrl C, otherwise it will run continuously. Ctrl C. When I do ping google.com, it means I'm getting the response. From my Google. Okay, I'll clear the screen. Now, if you want to install any package, first of all, your machine should be connected to the internet. How do I got to know? when I run the ping google.com, I was able to ping to the Google. It means I'm able to connect to the internet. Now if you want to install any package, first of all you need to log in with root user. Learnomate user cannot install any package. So how to log in with root user? Sudo su hyphen, press enter, and Learnomate password is Oracle. When I press this command, I got logged in with root user. Okay, I got logged in with root user. Now I'm going to run. Achha, we'll do one thing, guys. We will set the password of root user also. See, root user do not have any password now. So I'm going to set the password of root user. Whenever you want to set the password of root user or any user, you need to run the command like password PASSWD, not WORD, PASSWD, and username. So what is the password of root user? I'll enter root only, small letter root, small letter root. So I have set the password of root user also. Okay, what I did, when you do the installation of Ubuntu operating system, root does not have any password. So whenever you want to set new password or whenever you want to change a password of user, you can run the command like password and username. So I have set the password of root user. Keep this password very simple so that whenever you want to enter it, you can enter it quickly. Now, if you want to install the package, you can simply run the command like, whenever you want to install the package, you can simply run the command like apt install vim. What is the command? Apt install and vim. Vim means apt install vim. Vim is the package name of vEditor. Apt install vim. Press enter. When I run this command, the packages is getting installed related to the vEditor. Do you want to continue? I'll say yes. Press enter, and it has started doing the installation of vEditor. See here, slowly it is downloading the software for vEditor from the internet, and it's getting installed. So you just need to wait. While doing this, if you face any challenges, wait for some time. Okay.
Hello. So in my case, it's not getting installed.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm coming to. By any chance, if you face any challenges, okay, don't worry about that. After the class, you take the support from support team. They will fix it. Okay.
Okay.
Are you able to understand everyone till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See.
Yes.
So my vEditor has been installed now. If you just run the command like vi abc.txt, and if you are able to open the file like this, if you see new over here, it means your vEditor has been installed successfully. I'll just close it now. How to close? :q exclamation mark. I'll close that. So just do one thing. Okay, just do one thing. First of all, you need to log in with root user. What is the first thing? Log in with which user? Root user. How to log in with root user? Quite simple. Sudo su hyphen. Then set the password of root user. Set the password of root user. What is how are you going to do that? Simple command, password PASSWD and the root. This is the way you are going to set the password of root user. Third thing, what is the third thing? Then install the packages. Again, apt install vim. This is the way you can install the package. And what is the fourth thing? You can use the command like vi abc.txt, and then just close it. How to close? :q exclamation mark and press enter. That's it. So this is the thing which you need to do now. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What is fifth step, sir?
What is that? What you said?
What is the fifth step?
Just close that. Open the file and then close that file. Okay. Colon Q exclamation mark. Okay. Colon Q
Okay.
exclamation mark. Just
Okay,
close that. I'll talk about that. Just to cross check whether it is working or not. You can do like that. Let me know once it is done, guys. Okay. You can follow the instructions and let me know once it is done.
Please provide me with the instructions you'd like me to follow. One.
Hi, Ankush Sir, Sagar here. Sir, can you create the yesterday scenario? I was already text you.
We'll check that. Okay. Later.
Okay.
Done, sir.
All right. So can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try to understand the next part. Okay. So how this 𝐕_editor works? Okay. Let us try to understand now. So let's try to understand the next part. Okay. Basically, just take an example. In 𝐕_editor, if I take the example of 𝐕_editor mode, there are different type of mode are there. One is like insert mode, and then we have command mode is there. There are two type of mode are available in 𝐕_editor: insert mode and command mode. Now just take an example. I want to create a new file. Okay, I want to create a new file. So I'll simply run the command like vi abc.txt. So when I run the command like vi abc.txt, what it will do? It will create a new file or it will open a file. There is a difference. Assume that I am inside the desktop location and I use the command like vi abc.txt. When I ran this command, when I ran the command like vi abc.txt, when I ran this command, if this file is exist, what it will do? It will open a file. If the file is already exist, it will open that file. And if file is not exist, by any chance the file is not exist there, what it will do? It will create a new file. What it will do? It will create a new file. There is a difference. Try to understand. When I run the command like vi abc.txt, what it will do? First of all, it will check whether the file is available there or not. If the file is already exist, what it will do? It will open a file. And if the file is not exist, it will create a new file. Okay. So if I go here and if I say cd, let me clear the screen. Okay, clear. And I'll do that under my Learnomate user. So I'll switch to the Learnomate. Okay, and I'll go to the desktop location, cd desktop. So I'm inside the desktop now. Clear. When I run the command like vi abc.txt, first of all it will check in the desktop location whether the abc.txt available or not. I'll press enter. When I press enter, I don't see new over here. New means the file is already exist. I'll show you that. See, if I do ls-lrt, the abc.txt is already there. It is an empty file, but the file is there. If I say vi oracle.txt, if I run the command like vi oracle.txt, press enter, I can see there is a new. New means the file has been opened, but it is a new file, complete new file. So whenever you want to create a new file, simple the command is vi and the file name. Now I open the file. When I open the file, what I need to do? I need to insert some data. So if you want to insert some data, you need to press, what you need to do? You need to press I. So I'm going to press I and I'll go inside the insert mode. When I say I'm going inside the insert mode means I can write down something. By pressing I can write down something. That is called press I. And what is this command mode? Command mode is mainly useful. Let's say I opened the new file, I have inserted some data, and after that my work is done, so I want to save the file or I want to quit the file. Sometimes I want to do undo also. So these are all things will come under the command mode. So if you want to save a file, we have a command like :wq!! Whenever you don't want to save a file, just quit it. So we have a command like :q!! Likewise, we have different commands are there. But how to go inside the command mode? By pressing escape. If you press escape, you will go inside the command mode. So I am here and I'm writing down some content. I want to go inside the insert mode because I want to insert something. So I'll press I. So I press I. As soon as I press I am inside the insert mode. Then I'll say I am in Learnomate session. I have written this content. If you want to write down the same content in second line, press enter. Enter. Your mouse will not work. I am in Linux class. Okay. So I'm done with my session now. Okay. I'm done with my writing. I want to save it. So when you want to save it, you should not be in insert mode. You want to save it now. So you'll press escape. So insert is gone. Now this is a command mode. What command you want to type? :WQ. Automatically it will start writing down here. If you press colon, automatically exclamation mark means you are saving this file. Press enter. Now if I use the same command again, vi oracle.txt, this file is exist in this location. Press enter. The same file has been opened now. If you want to again quit this file, quit means I don't want to save it. :Q exclamation mark, :Q exclamation mark, and this file has been created here. So whenever you want to create any file, vi the file name, whatever file name you want to give, and then open that file. When you open the file, you need to go inside the insert mode. How to go inside the insert mode? By pressing I. And once you are done with the insert, you want to save the file, you need to go inside the command mode. How to go inside the command mode? Escape. By pressing escape. And then you can save the file or you can quit the file. You can do many things. I'll discuss about that. But did you understand, guys, this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do that and let me know once it is done.
Sir, is there any other option to install that 𝐕𝐈?
No, we will help you. Okay. Don't worry. There is some problem in your laptop. We'll check that out. It will get fixed. Don't worry.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Is it done, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do one thing. I'll give one example. So we have this, let's say I'm inside the desktop. Inside the desktop, we have data, app, base 19c. Here you need to create one file called oracle.txt. In that you need to add the content like there are two lines you need to add. I am in DBA class. I am in Learnomate. Okay, so these two lines you need to add there. Then finally save it and then open the file also. Any confusion here? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So if you do not have that directory structure, you can create a directory structure, create a file with the name oracle.txt, add the 2 lines, save it and open it. Okay. Let's do that. Please go on mute those people who have a background, some noise is there. Go on mute.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, today we installed the VM package, VI package.
Yeah, we have installed the VI editor.
Yeah. After that, we update it. Not
No need to update.
anytime. No need to require.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Sir, yesterday by using touch command, we have created the oracle.txt by using the same path. So if we are in desktop mode, uh, using the vi command, if the oracle file will get open or we will go inside that 19c or 10c.
No, you can give the complete path itself. See, one option is like, see, there are two methods. One is like you go inside this location and create this file, or with the VI editor, you can give complete path like data app base 19c on oracle.txt. So that file will be created in that location. So you can give like VI data app base 19c oracle.txt. So this oracle.txt, where it will be get created in that location only. See, it is like a cd command only. What I said in the cd command, if you do cd /home/learnomate/desktop, so it will directly go to the desktop location, right? Similar way, vi and the complete path, so that file will be getting created under that location. Okay, so you can try like that. I'll discuss about that. How you can switch the Learnomate user. If you want to switch the Learnomate user, you can say See, if you are already logged in with root now and you want to go inside the Learnomate, you can simply do exit command, or you can use switch user Learnomate. Switch user is the command to switch the user, guys. Switch means, let's say I got logged in with Learnomate and I want to log in with another user. You can use switch user command, switch user and username. Okay. Let's do that and let me know once it is done. Okay.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Suppose I did any mistake in the content. So basically, uh,
If you make
in Notepad, we use backspace to clear the content. So in that case, what to do?
if you make the mistake now, you can do undo. There is a command like for undo, U is there. Okay. Go to the command mode and press U. It will do undo. Go to the command mode and press U. It will do undo. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can directly quit the file also without saving. How to quit? :Q exclamation mark. It will quit the file without saving. Okay.
Okay.
So it's like don't save. In Notepad we have don't save is there na, just like that.
Okay.
And this undo is like Control Z, undo. Okay. I'll show you this practically. We have this in tomorrow's lecture. Replacement and all we have in tomorrow's lecture, guys. Okay. We need to see that. How to do undo, delete and all these things. We'll discuss about that one by one. Is this done, guys? This part?
Yes, sir.
See what I said. Let me show you. Okay, I said data app base 19c on oracle.txt. So where should be this oracle.txt created?
In
In 19c, correct? So first of all, I'll check whether that location is there or not. So I'll check whether that location is there or not. See, that directory should be exist. Without that, you cannot do that. So first of all, I'll create that directory, data app base 19c. What I will do, I'll create that directory. So I'll say mkdir -p data app base 19c. I created this location. Okay, and then I will say I want to create that file. So if I want to create that file under 19c na, one option is like I'll do cd and I'll give that complete path, data app base 19c. This is one option. Like I'll go into that location and then I will say oracle.txt. I'll go inside that location and then I will say oracle.txt. This is one options. What I need to enter there? I am in DBA class. I am in Learnomate. Okay. So I'll press I because I want to do insert. Okay. I'll go for insert. I am in DBA class. I am in Learnomate. Second. And I want to save it. How to save? Escape :WQ to save. Enter. Done. escape colon WQ, enter, done. And if I do VA again, see I got this 2 line. If I want to quit, colon Q exclamation mark, quit without saving, press enter. Did you get my point, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I can do like this also. I'll second option. Let's say I'm inside the desktop. I'm inside the desktop. I'm inside the desktop. DESK. I'm inside the desktop. I can give complete path from here also. So what is the complete path? Data, app, base, 19C, and oracle.txt. I can do like this also. You got my point, guys? You got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what it will
Yes,
do
sir.
now? If I press enter, what it will do? What it will do?
Simply open the
It will
Oracle text
open
file.
that file because that file is already exist. Clear na? It will open that file. Clear na, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And if I don't give space, if I don't give path, what will happen now?
Open it.
Will it open that file?
No, sir, it's in desktop.
It will create a file under desktop location. It will create a file. And if the
Yes,
file
sir.
is already exist, it will open that file in the desktop location. You got my point? It will open the file from the desktop location. So we have a file here. Clear now, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we need to discuss about few more commands related to the VI editor. I'll take care of that in the tomorrow's lecture. Okay, so please be online by tomorrow 8:30. We will be available and we'll discuss about that. Okay, this next command. Okay, like how to do replace, undo, delete. Other options are also available. Okay, we'll discuss about that in tomorrow's lecture. I hope you understand the today's lecture. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Let's connect tomorrow and we'll continue
Thank you,
this.
sir.
Hello,
Yes, tell me.
sir. Any fast track batch?
For Oracle DB, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
For Oracle DB, you do one thing. You can do one thing. You can take the access of previous class recording. Okay. And
Sir,
from the
actually, I want to talk with you, sir, but I am in Waguli, so I can't reach you, sir. So can
call
we
me now.
talk with?
Okay. Call me after this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll discuss. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.